How to hide WhatsApp number. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of TechTube. Now the case with WhatsApp is other people won't be able to find your WhatsApp number through WhatsApp. They will need to know your number and they need to have it on their phone contacts to be able to see you on WhatsApp. But if it is the case of a group, other people who are in your contacts, they can easily add you in groups, and other people who are not in your contacts will still be able to see you. So even if you head over to the settings by tapping on the three dots on the top right, tap on settings and then tap on privacy, you can see there is no option of hiding your number from a group on WhatsApp. Even if you tap on about and set it to nobody, this only hides your about section and not your phone number. So the risk in this case is only with a group chat. This is a current issue with WhatsApp, that other people can find your number if you're in a group chat.